To MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2001 Chevy Camaro Z28 SS SLP, triple black top, black interior, black exterior. It's got the 12-disc CD player in the back here. Have a look in the seams. This thing is just pristine, just beautiful. Wow. The rubbers are all supple. Everything is in fantastic condition. The vehicle is clearly garage kept. There's that big SLP loudmouth exhaust. You can see it there. Camaro SS on the back of it. Z28 was for this performance suspension, and it's got brand new tires on it. We put brand new Continental Supreme contacts on it. The brakes are in fantastic condition. We've painted the rotors and the calipers. The back seats are in fabulous condition. A little bit of sun bleaching on the felt on the liner of the inside of the top, but that's normal, nothing unusual there. The seats are in fabulous condition, as you can see. Door panels in excellent condition also. The sun visor on the passenger side has fallen off, and it does fit and work, but a new one is on order. In the glove box are all of the books and the wheel lock there. And the glove box is working beautifully. Again, really outstanding condition, clearly not left outside, well taken care of, well loved. Have a look in the door frames, it's a beauty. Climb up here to the front wheel, no curb rash, no issues, great looking wheels, good looking brand new tires, painted rotors, painted calipers, it looks outstanding. Under the hood is the Slp Cold Air Intake. It's had a SLP tune, it's got the cross strut tower brace on it as well for performance, to give it a little bit of extra rigidity. It's also got the platinum shield protection for rust protection has been installed on the vehicle, and everywhere you look, fabulous. The hood, of course, the vehicle was shipped to SLP without a hood, and then they put this hood on. So there is the SLP raised hood to fit in that SLP cold air intake and reduce the weight, give it a little better performance. The wheels are in fabulous condition. Oh, stone chips, let me go back. I know there's one stone chip right there. Otherwise, a couple little ones, but nothing major for a 2001 that's in fantastic condition. So let's see the body side moldings as we're going by. Here's your other wheel, no curb rash, no issues there. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, automatic headlamps. The seat's in fantastic condition. You can see there's no wear, no rips, no tears, nothing, just fabulous. And we'll climb in and fire this one up for you. Oh, sounds fabulous. That's a great sound. 49,461 are the kilometers. Canadian car all the way. Nice sounding engine. AM FM CD player, it's got fog lights, air conditioning is blowing ice cold, and a power top. So we're going to put the power top up and show you it in action. All working really well, no worries there. Glass back window with a rear defroster. Two clips to hold it together here, so that just goes there and locks. And then this one over here does the same thing and locks, and that's it. And then we put the power windows up, and we're all good. So everything working really well, no issues at all. Steering wheel controls for the radio. Nice leather wrapped wheel as well. And again, that engine sounds fabulous. So the top in excellent condition, no wear, no rubs, no nothing. No creases, that's fabulous. The red stripe on the front is an add-on that did not come that way, but that's it's a nice look, so we're leaving it there. There it is from the front. The license plate is a show and go, so I'll just show you that one goes down, and there you go, you have no license plate. So that adds to the appearance of it for sure. Good looking car all the way along, straight as a die, no concerns there. Listen to that rumble. Awesome. 350s are bulletproof, man. They're just great. So there you have it, folks. That is a 2001 Chevy Camaro SS convertible. This is one of 6 vehicles built for Canada in 2001 in black as an automatic and as a convertible. Unbelievable, great, rare car. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. here at munromotors.com. Hey, I look forward to seeing you real soon.